This channel earns 5,000 a month by posting simple shorts just take a few minutes to make. What many don't know is that AI is behind it all. YouTube Shorts are a gold mine right now, and a lot of people are making a full-time income from these AI-generated videos. But before you jump into making short, understand that you need a solid strategy. Without one, creating hundreds of shorts won't get you very far. YouTube is full of content creators fighting for attention, so you have to stand out. A random video won't do the trick. You need a strategy that ensures your short hit all the marks for viral. So tip number 1, focus on trending topics. If your short channel isn't performing well, you might choose bad video ideas. A good video idea is key to going viral, no matter how well you execute it. Therefore, focus on trending topics to make your videos stand out. And here are some ways that I use to find a trending topic for my YouTube videos. First up is the YouTube trending page, your direct window into what's popular on the platform right now. So simply head over to YouTube and click on trending in the sidebar. And here you will see videos that are gaining massive views in your country or even globally. Pay attention to the types of video length, thumbnails, and especially the topic. And the second method is Google Trends, an indispensable tool for any content creator. And here you can see what the world is searching for in real time. So enter your keywords related to your niche to see their popularity over time. And then check out related topics or related queries to discover rising trends around your topic. And this will help you identify what people are increasingly interested in so you can create content that's not just relevant but also timely. And you can also use social media like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. So these places are where trends are born and spread like wildfire. And consider how you can incorporate similar themes or topics to your video. And after finding the topic, now you can use the tool called ShortX, and it can create viral shorts for you from script, voiceover, editing. While this tool doesn't currently offer a free plan, the 12.50 month fee for creating around 25 shorts is very well worth the investment. So just think about the time and effort you save by having everything in one place. No need to jump between different apps or manually design each image. This tool handles all the style, captions, and more. So go to Shortix and select templates. So it's basically a preset with the AI image, style, effects, captions, transition, and stuff like that for your video. And here I will go for comics. And about the script, Shortix used ChatGPT 3 to generate an AI script for your videos. So in this case, I'm gonna use GPT-4 directly to generate the scripts. And here you should take time to craft a good prompt that leads to an engaging script for your video. And once your script is generated, adjust it to perfection. You can make some changes to the hook to grab the audience attention right away, or add a call to action at the end of your script. And then choose the image style, voiceover, and background music. Also caption style, and also custom the caption to make it even better. So here you can see the caption looks a little bit long and hard to follow. And I just want 1 to 3 words to show up at a time. Therefore, I will select 1 line instead of 3 right here. And also you can make changes to the font color of the text. And you can also personalize the effects of the video right here. And once you have created your shorts, don't forget to post them on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And here is the final video that I have generated with ShortX.
A young boy came to Hollywood with big dreams and a bigger heart. But behind the bright lights, he faced a darkness no child should ever endure. He was a victim of abuse, his trust betrayed by those meant to guide him. But his story doesn't end there. Through music, he found his voice again. He turned his pain into purpose, inspiring countless others to speak up.
And that's it for our today's video. Stay consistent, post regularly, and you will see the results. And remember, good things take time, so keep at it, and soon you will have your own viral shots. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials.